got this box in the mail today, so I'm gonna open it up. Let's open it up and take a look at it. This is from a friend of mine that I've met through the channel, my Blue Bible theologian, my friend Lenny, and I honestly don't know what's in here. It was a gift from him, and I can't thank you enough. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm thankful. We have talked about Bibles and such, and so let's open this sucker up. You did a fantastic job taping this puppy. I don't want to cut it without the suspense is killing me. Without cutting whatever it is that's in here. Alright, box is open. Let's take a look at what we have inside. Alright, so I have a note. Let me read it real quick because I don't know if there's anything personal on there. I love it. For your library, let's keep on building while we can. That's true. I have a video about building your library. You know, times are funny not only in this country but in the world. And you never know when you're not going to be able to buy some of these books and Bibles anymore. Oh wow, very cool. All right, so we have a large print NLT Holy Bible in True Tone, brown leather-like. Let's take a quick look. We might as well open it up. We're unboxing things, right? Very pretty. Ooh, look, it's even the colorblind guy can tell. Dual tone, red letter edition. So there will be full reviews on these. Thank you so much, man. I'm super excited to share these resources, as you know, with you guys and let you know what's out there. Ooh, we have another note. All right, so this is a gift from him, out of print Guideposts Family Concordance. We talk about concordances and do kind of reviews on resources and how to make your study better. And this is one of those things. I'll have to take a look at it again. I'm seeing these for the very first time, but I'll have to take a look through this concordance. I'll drop a link to the video I have on Strong's Exhaustive Concordance, but it's even blue. Yay! You know we like blue. And the last one. Ooh, very cool. You know what? I don't think that I have done a review on a NRSV. So this one, I think, will be my first one. I'll have to go back and look. NRSV thin line, large print. I think this one's a large print too. Is it? Yeah, they're both large print. You know what's funny is I have okay eyes, but I have been real super into large prints lately. They're just so nice. It makes it so much easier to read that I've kind of gotten into large print. Maybe that's because I'm getting older, but very pretty. NRSV thin line, large print with comfort print. It's going to be by 2K Denmark. Most likely I'll have to take a look. And we'll talk very briefly about what the NRSV, the New Revised Standard Version of the Bible is, and it's put out by Zondervan. So there you go. Unboxing. That means we have even more Bible reviews. I have a stack of them down there to go through. I like to try to spend a little bit of time with each kind of Bible or resource that I review. I like to spend some time with it so I can do a decent review for you guys. So these ones will be coming up soon. Thank you so much, Lenny. I cannot thank you enough, man.